So I'm back from holiday, and when I was away, we got a lot of comments on some of the videos that Brandon did, saying, where's Aiden, where's the other guy? You know, I massively appreciate everyone wanting me, basically. So yeah, I'm back. Regular content will continue. I was only off for a week, so I'm sure you can deal without the videos for just that long. Kicking straight back into it, we'll talk about Revvis and Revvi graphics. So for the 12 and 16, we've got some new designs that have just landed in store. This one in particular is the KTM Red Bull one. We've got a few other designs suited for younger kids, such as the Frozen one. We've got a Spider-Man one, Sonic one, an Iron Man one, and finally just a standard Red Bull one for the 12 and 16 too. These are just some of the designs that we've brought out for now, but there's plenty more coming. And also, if you want something in particular, let us know and we can try and work on a design for you as well. As always, the 12, 16 and 16 plus bikes are always in stock in every colour. The 18s, we've got very limited stock left. We're pre-ordering now right up until the Christmas delivery. We've got about 4 or 5 shipments between now and then. If you want your name on one, it's a £100 deposit. Get in contact with the team today. We'll just take your name, we'll put it on the pre-order spreadsheet, and you will have your colour assigned to you before the end of this year. If you'd like any more information on any of the bikes that we stock in store or online, give us a call today on 0330 311 0854.